Area forecast discussion, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Long term, issued to 11 p.m. Central Standard Time, Sunday, February 12th. Monday night through Sunday. The main focus in the extended remains on the two systems poised to impact the region throughout the week. The first system lifts across the upper Mississippi Valley on Tuesday and Tuesday night, bringing widespread rain to southern Wisconsin. The initial wave of widespread rain moves in from the south and southwest on Tuesday as strong, warm air advection and the northern edge of Gulf-rich moisture moves into southern Wisconsin. Ensembles show PWATs increasing to around 0.8 of an inch or so, which is a healthy amount for this time of the year. Tuesday night, the main trough lifts into the area, bringing additional DCVA and jet dynamics to help support the continuation of chances for rain overnight. Models are showing the slimmest amount of instability developing late Tuesday into Tuesday night. Opted to keep mentions of thunder out, but something to note. Rainfall totals continue to look like they will range between a quarter to a half an inch, with the higher amounts expected across south central Wisconsin. While we have warm, mild days ahead of this rain, any lingering snowmelt will add to localized runoff into rivers, streams, and creeks. Windy conditions are expected as this low tracks across the region. During the day on Tuesday, gusty winds start off from the southeast. Then as the occluded front moves through Tuesday night, winds become southwesterly. Ensembles continue to highlight the potential for wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Soundings are a bit less excited, but given the anomalously strong wind field and surface low, which are nearing at or climatologically max and min, did opt NBM winds as is for now. Want to note the anomalously strong wind field and surface low. As this first system exits the region and moves northeast into eastern Canada, additional long-wave troughing over the Intermountain West will keep broad southwest flow aloft draped across the central continental United States and up into the Great Lakes region. This will allow the lingering Barcelonic zone to remain anchored across the region, providing a focus for the next system to track along. As the elongated long-wave trough approaches from the west, the lead cyclone is poised to develop in the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma. From there, the surface low is poised to ride the Barcelonic zone northeast across Illinois, Indiana, and up into Michigan Thursday into Friday morning. As warm air advection wraps back around the main low, an area of strong frontogenesis is poised to set up across central and southern Wisconsin, which will be the focus for another area of banded, narrow snowfall. Models are in worse agreement today compared to yesterday, so there is still plenty of uncertainty in where this banded area of snow will track Thursday into Friday. For example, the GFS keeps the axis of this banded snowfall more focused across southwest and east central Wisconsin, whereas the latest European computer model had come in further south and would put the banded area of snow over much of our area. This is Milwaukee. Ensemble means and snowfall probabilities continue to keep snow across at least portions of our area, so this is certainly something to keep a close eye on. Colder air filters into the region as the late week system moves through, bringing a colder end of the week. Next weekend looks to remain dry with the return of highs in the 40s.